It's an affluent suburb of Washington, D.C. They don't communicate in insults. It's a little cross town. It's not...
You been kicking in your B-town?
Yeah.
Chesapeake, boy, I'm saying, Chairman.
Chairman? I didn't know you had a car alarm installed. That's interesting. Chairman?
This is my tunnel ding, dummy.
I didn't know you could rhyme freestyle, Chairman. That's excellent. What are you even hoping to accomplish if you are elected to a second term as RNC Chairman?
It's easy, big cousin.
All right.
1, cut taxes for the billionaires. 2, repeal Obamacare. 3, protect our bills.
I'm assuming you mean borders. How would you protect our borders?
I'm talking about stopping all those foreign ladies from coming in as a terror bibbles. It's got to stop, Lollipop.
I thought Bibbles was borders. Now it's babies?
Bibbles like Shalom, honeycomb.
All right. Shalom is not interchangeable with borders and babies.
I Shalom that, my baby.
Look, you got a money problem anyway. You started with $20 million. Now you're down to $3 million.
I got $3 million left and only 3 weeks to spend it. Tell a Bibble, Shalom, Johnny B. Stew.
Republican Chairman Michael Steele, everybody. Where?
Earth, the book. Everything you need.
Kona,
Period. No exceptions.
what are you doing?
Books are sold.
Come here.
Is coming your way. You won't even believe all the sports we've got.
Kona,
Baseball, we've got football.
what you doing?
I'm totally blanking on the other sports, but we got them too.
No.
Guess who got a raise?
How much? Hi, Pumpkin.
Thousand. Axums, Friday and Laird.
Hi, Pumpkin.
I'm getting paid.
Hi. Oops, hello. Hi, Cammy. Hey, Kona. Hi. Hi, Kona. Hi. Hi. Kona, give me your paw. Kona, give me your paw. Good girl. Give me your other paw. Your other paw. Your other paw. No, wrong one. Okay, fine. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're so cute. So cute. Give me your paw. Good girl. Oh, she's a good girl. You did the other one? You want to do it one more time? Give me your paw. Good girl. Give me your other paw. Your other paw. Come on. This one. No.
You can fast forward a bit.
Hold on. Give me your other paw. This paw. Good girl. That's good enough. You're so cute. Okay, fine. I will fast forward it. Kona. Oops, shit. Too much. Hi, cutie. Hi. 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 Hi, Bunky. Hi, Bunky. Oh, give me a high five. High five. Give me a high five. You're so cute. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. High five. High five. Come on. Hello. Hello. Give me a high five. Okay, give me your paw. Come on. Come on, give me your paw. Kona. Give me your paw.
Ouch.
Give me your paw.
But don't worry,
Give me your
it's
paw.
in the plan. They're going to start
Give me it. Give me your paw. Kona.
replacing veteran broadcaster
Kona.
Larry.
Give me your paw.
I say veteran service.
Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Are you paying attention? Give me your paw. Okay, fine. You don't have to then. Gosh. Fine then. Fine then. You can do whatever you want to do. What do you want? Do you want to go outside?
Anyway, the great Mr. King is being replaced by a British journalist named
Kona.
Morgan.
Kona, do you want to go outside?
What can we expect?
You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Huh? You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Outside? You want to go outside? You want to go outside?
You realize you're introducing yourself to America with a relatively meaningless
Cam, do you want to go outside?
eating.
You want to go outside too? Come on.
You're going to have to do a little better than wings.
Yeah.